Today we take a look at Anki Vector, your robot companion, and I'm actually doing a free giveaway to give a vector to one of you guys at home, but more details on that at the end of the video. This is the successor to Cosmo and it's definitely got smarter. It's a cross between a digital assistant and a pet robot. They've created something functional that also has a personality. Inside the packaging you get Vector himself, his charging dock, and a cube for him to play with, as well as the manual and other documents. So Vector is a lifelike assistant. He's been designed for use on tabletops, and while it can travel on carpet, it does struggle a little bit, and this will no doubt clog up the internals quickly. Vector is powered by the Qualcomm 200 platform, giving him the power he needs to deal with your request. He's got a capacitive touch sensor on top to allow him to sense and react when touched or held. Also on top we've got a beamforming 4 microphone array, allowing him to pinpoint sound and filter out the background noise. On the front of Vector we've got an HD camera with a 128-degree field of view. This allows Vector to detect motion and identify its users. He's got an infrared laser scanner for distance tracking and environment mapping as well. We've also got the IPS display on the front. This is for Vector's eyes, and it also allows him to show us data on screen such as numbers and weather animations. Now underneath we've got 4 drop sensors so that Vector can detect where the edge of a surface is and he won't fall off. He also contains a 6-axis inertial measurement unit that allows him to detect when he's being picked up, moved, or even tilted. So Vector requires an internet connection, but it's linked directly to your Wi-Fi, and this can all be set up with their easy to use mobile application. To start off with, you have to meet Vector first by using the comment, "Hey Vector, my name is," and give him your name. Vector will then scan your face and greet you accordingly.
Hey Vector, my name is TT Technology.
I've tested this feature and it does work very well. I was impressed. If you reintroduce yourself with a different name, Vector will tell you wrong and tell you your actual name. He can also store multiple users, so he is able to recognize everyone in your household. So a lot of focus here has gone into Vector's personality. He will do different things all the time. If you leave him alone, he'll freely drive around your tabletop and even say your name once he recognizes you. He'll also tend to look in the direction where noise or motion is coming from. But what can Vector actually do? He's got some useful features as well as some fun features for people to interact with him. So start off with the features you may find useful. You can ask Vector for the weather or time and he'll answer you with some on-display visuals as well.
Hey Vector, what's the weather?
You can use him to set a timer. The timer can be checked at any point, and you can also cancel the timer as well. Vector will alert you when the time is up, and he makes it very clear the time is up. You can ask Vector to take a photo with his HD camera. You can ask Vector any question and he'll give you the answer, but it's worth pointing out here that it is a 3-step process. First you have to say, "Hey Vector," then you have to say, "I have a question," then when he's ready you're able to answer your question.
Hey Vector, I have a question. What is the capital of England?
Now for the more entertaining aspects, he'll let you play Blackjack on his display and even give you a fist bump if you ask him.
13. Another card.
Yes.
There are a few different tricks he can do with his cube, like flipping it over, he can pick it up, or sometimes he'll just start hitting it, and he can also use it to flip up on his back. If there's music playing in the background, then Vector will dance to it, but only if he likes it. He doesn't like all music, and I'm not sure what determines this. When left alone, Vector will also explore his area to map his surroundings. You can ask him to stop at any point, and I also find he will call my name and try to get my attention if I ignore him for too long. If you stroke him on top, he enjoys it, and you can even give him praise or tell him off. You can command him to go to sleep, go to his charger, and if he gets too low on battery, he will return to the charger himself. So overall, Vector is an impressive piece of technology. He really does have a lifelike feel and is somewhat a new pet. That being said though, a lot of his features I would class as a gimmick and will probably only be used the first few times after you receive him. In terms of practicality, he does everything you need from a voice assistant, but he does tend to do them slower than say Google Home or Alexa. As mentioned earlier, if you do want to ask a question, then it is a 3-step process. It's also more expensive than a Home or Alexa, but at the same time, Anki is not advertising this as a voice assistant. That being said though, Vector is new. They will be releasing the SDK to allow other developers to create uses, and no doubt Anki themselves will be providing updates too. Vector is something different to the norm, and it does have a lot of potential to grow. I'll be excited to see what improvements they can create in the future. For anyone that would like to get a Vector of their own, or even just some more information, I've placed links down in the description below. But for anyone that would like the chance to win a free Vector, of course I'm doing the giveaway. As always, I've placed links down in the description below that will take you to my webpage. There are multiple ways to enter, such as subscribing to my YouTube channel, retweeting a tweet on Twitter. You simply click them and it gains you entries. This giveaway is open internationally as always. Wherever you are in the world, I will ship to you free of charge. So good luck in the giveaway. And as always, if you've got any problems, any questions, or there's anything I've missed, please ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.